We're the AI code review platform. So I know we've thrown a lot of information at you. We're about to go into an intermission, so this is the last one, and I'll promise to keep it quick. So right now, how is AI going to change software development? More code's going to be written. I think we can all agree on that, and I think most of us have probably adopted tools for that, right? Everyone here probably, if you're an engineer, probably uses one of Copilot, Cursor, Windsurf. But what happens if more code's written? Well, more code's going to need to be reviewed, tested, merged, deployed. And how are we doing that? And I think that's sort of what Graphite solves, right? We've realized that, hold on, the volume of code's about to explode. The systems we have are breaking down, and I think that we need to start having new tools. So Graphite actually started as best-in-class tooling for individuals. A lot of our team came from Facebook. We left, we started a different company. We realized we missed a lot of that tooling. A lot of us here have used GitHub probably for code review. We started using GitHub. We were like, well, this works pretty well, but there's a lot of parts of it we miss. And after about 6 months, we were like, actually, there's enough of this we miss that we think it'd be faster to rebuild it and keep building our company. Well, a few months after that, a lot of our old coworkers started asking, hey, this tooling out here sucks. Like, can I use what you've built? And we were like, no, no, no. And after about 6 months, we said, well, maybe. And so that was where it was born, Graphite. We grew pretty quickly into best-in-class tooling for teams. So for the engineers out there, if you've ever been blocked on a pull request, or if you've ever gone to your teammate and said, hey, can you review this for me? And they're like, I didn't even know you had something up. That's the problem we solve. And it's more than that, right? It's every little thing you have around Git and GitHub. These are problems that probably tooling can solve. And so that's what we started to build, and that's where we grew. And then we grew that to support some of the largest companies in the world. A game I like to play with a lot of my friends is name a tech company, because we probably support them. Here's the list of logos I can name, and then there's a list of logos I can't name, which is equally as impressive and probably represents most companies that you can name, either wall to wall or from any of them within an org. This was our paid users graph last year. So that pink line was this time last year. You can see we were growing pretty slowly, and then over the past year, we've really started to sort of just like ramp up as we continue to expand into this product. And we're just getting started. So as AI continues to do this, we've started to realize ways in which it can improve the code review process. One of the experiments which has gotten me very excited recently is you've probably sat in code review and run into an issue where something like, oh, you have a merge conflict, you have a CI failure, you need to resolve this comment where this comment is renaming a variable. And it turns out that AI in 10 out of 10 cases can actually do that for you, and you don't need to do that at all. And so we're turning code review from this passive participant where you look at GitHub and it tells you, yep, here's a thing you need to fix, go fix it, where you can be like, you should fix this for me. And it does it on the spot, automatically and instantly. We just raised $52 million Series B from Excel. Our Series A was led by Andreessen a few years ago. And we're growing on an in-person team of 30. So this is a Giblified image of us in Hawaii. We were all there last week for our company offsite. We try to do one of these annually. Yeah, I will be, we're hiring for probably every role you can name, engineering, product, design, sales, marketing, ops. If you want to find me, I will be in that far back corner over there wearing one of our offsite swags, this Graphite bucket hat. And I hope I speak with you today.